Hi guys, I'm Sheldon Zam and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video today we're going to be going on a day in the life of an online events planner. There'll be a rehearsal of our events this weekend. We'll meet some of the team, so tag along and maybe take some tips from what we do today. Awesome, enjoy and drop a like along. Just a quick disclaimer, this video was filmed on the Note 10, hence I'm using the selfie camera right now so you can see this phone's selfie camera abilities. The rest are filmed on the back camera, shot by my Gent 10 over there. Thank you. Awe Masakaners, and welcome back fellow Zam Jammers who are subscribed to this channel. We are here at Monte Casino. We'll be like catching a bunch of little trips around Joburg to get to Newtown and to get back. We're live streaming this Saturday for the first time as an official broadcast with all the awesome equipment, and so today is the rehearsal. We had our meeting with our team last night. A few of them are going to pull through to the rehearsal today, and yeah, well, thank you so much Gauteng for allowing us to easily commute around Gauteng, and also, yeah man, we're going to go on a shoot probably today, get some content outside of these videos, so stay tuned for that. Even Ten has decided to whip out his camera and start recording some YouTube content, so stay tuned to his platforms. But let's jump into the next scene then. Oh my goodness, yo guys, Ten and I made a mistake last night. He played Fortnite for the first time, so we played up until 2, woke up like not many hours after that. So just excuse us if we're tired, okay? That's just a disclaimer. Cool, we're here at Gauteng station in Sandton, halfway stop almost, on our way to Park Station, and then we're gonna make our way to AMP Studios. This event is for content creators, in case you were wondering, and so the vibe and the theme and all of that is associated with AMP Studios. You'll see when we get to AMP Studios how cool it is. It's amazing. It's absolutely fantastic. But yeah, for now I'm gonna jump out of the scene and let's get there because people will be waiting for us. Hey, and we're at AMP Studios with the team, Tanda, Ten, and our friend.
Hi, I'm Rosemary. Come on.
This place is amazing, come check it out.
Ten just did an awesome shoot with her. Stay tuned to his Instagram profile for that. And yeah man, we are so excited for the event this weekend.
And we're preparing for Saturday.
Yeah.
It's gonna be amazing. Gonna be lit.
Just like that. Sandton? Nope. So, what is it like in the life of a day of an online events planner? Well, honestly, it can be whatever you want it to be. The way that I've set up events and organized them, everything is based on WhatsApp. We have WhatsApp groups with weekly calls of about 30-35 minutes to organize these content creator workshops. So, it's our wisdom. Are you here? Yes. Are you here? Okay, cool. I'll see you now. Cool. Thanks, wisdom. Cheers. Bye. And so this is the end of our day. Our Uber driver is here. Online events, bro. Content creator workshops. This is just another day in the life. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you in the next one. Also remember to see Ten's video. He's been editing it in the bus on this phone of his. It's gonna be dope with all those speed ramps. Cheers.